Listen to this. Who's this? Who is this snoring right now? I'm taping a video right now. Wake up. Wake the fuck up. Wake up. Wake up. Who is this? I'll give you a hint. Wake up. Oh my god. I caught him sleeping. Last night it was that other guy. Now it's this guy. I can't believe it. 2 nights in a row. 2 nights in a row I see someone sleeping. Or I hear someone sleeping. Only I won't look at Max, but I hear him nonetheless. I gotta show this to some people. Ooh. Listen to this shit. Ooh, listen. I gotta go soon. I'm gonna go. But is he gonna do any more? That's what I wanna know. I guess he stopped. I'm gonna shut it off. Bye.